What will you say? Say thank you. Uy. What will you say to Mama? What will you say? Huh? Okay. Oh, you open na. You open it now. Oh, wait, there. Here, oh. Here. Inopen na sa ilalim. Ayan, oh. You get it now. The other one. Get that 2 more. There are 2 more. Huh? 2 more. 2 more. 2 more. 1 more. Nandiyan lang. 1 more. What's this? Sanrio characters. Wonder Wheel. Kala ko Wonderland. Oh, open it now. What do you have here? What is it? Oh. Baka you open it. Say, Papa, open please. Now, what do you have there? Open it. Look. What's this? What's this?
Wow.
What's this? What's this? Wow. It's like a puzzle. Papa, can you help her?
Ano ba?
Can you help her assemble it? There's one more. I'm opening it. Papa will help you assemble it. There's one, anak, oh. Ay, parehas. Look, what's this, oh? I know, it's not. This is, what's this? This is Melody. Who's that, Papa? Yung purple na yan, who's that?
Ano ba ito? Di ko alam.
Wow. This one is Melody, oh.
Ano ba ito? Dito? Tapos? Saan ito makasama?
Hindi. Baka meron pang isang maliit. Ito muna yata sa stand sa ilalim. Stand mo na yan dito bago mo ilagay yung ano. Yan. Lagay mo muna yung pink. Yan. Tapos ilagay mo yun. Isa pa. Yan. One more.
Saan ito lalagay?
Sa tok-tok yata. Ito po, may instruction naman dito pa eh, how to do it. Ayan. May instruction naman how to do it. Ayan pa palang isa, anak, oh. This is for Melody. You put it here, anak, oh.
Ah, okay. Finally.
And the next one is, oh no, it's still Kurumi. Kurumi yung, Kurumi yung pangatlo. And that's it, pansit.